Hey guys, it's Julia, and this week we're going to walk through the Families and Allies page on the Transition Discoveries.
The Families and Allies page introduces you on how you can be an adult ally as a parent, teacher, counselor, etc. Our acronym for Ally is to actively listen to learn from youth. Curious on how youth experience transition discoveries? Well, we encourage you to try out the discovery journey and get an inside look. In this section, you will also be able to try out our exciting and engaging discovery cards and also purchase them. We also have incredible videos on youth engagement and tips on how to be an active ally. There's also 2 informative sections on how to connect with youth and connect with professionals. Clicking on the share link will also allow you to share the website with other youth and professionals.